Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another paper pumpkin alternative video on my YouTube channel and blog. If you're new to my channel, I want to say hi. This video will share alternative projects to stretch your paper pumpkin supplies. If you don't know what paper pumpkin is, click the link in the description box below and check it out. So come along with me as I attempt to create out of the box. Hello friends, here we are with alternative card number 2 for the February 2024 paper pumpkin box called Sweet Springtime. I am using the Stitched Shapes dies for this card design. I'm also going to use that card front that we cut off in the last card. I'm going to cut off about 1/4 of an inch. Just that little gingham piece is what I want. And here I have one of the mini slimline cards and I'm lining it up at 4 1/4. Going to remove that and a little bit, 5 1/2. So that I can make that my card front. So here is an extra piece of basic white. I am running it through my mini cut and emboss machine. This is the boho blue color. It's a limited edition. It's super cute. I have Seal Plus here and I'm just going to smear it along the back of my card front piece. And I'm also going to run it down not only the edge, but the crease as well. And then I'm going to apply it to my card base, which is a basic white thick cardstock. And I don't know about you, but on my blog, I have a little bit of information about the next upcoming paper pumpkin kit. And it comes with an additional stamp set, as well as it coordinates with that beautiful paper that is the online exclusive called Meandering Meadows. So the paper pumpkin actually will coordinate with that, which I think is pretty nifty. So next month is not the month to suspend your account. So if you've done so, make sure that you unsuspend it and go ahead and get the March card kit. I encourage you to, because it's bang for your buck. So as you can see, I just used the tear and tape page or adhesive behind this little gingham checked square. I am covering up that crease. So now I have dimensional adhesive on the back of my wreath and I cut out, I think it was the second from the outside stitch circle. It's the only circle I have right now and that it will fit this size. I tried to find a punch, but I think this one worked out better. So anyway, I'm sticking it down and when I flip it over, you'll see that I actually have enough adhesive there that it will adhere right to my card front. So there's a little bit of white and I'm going to put that about right there. And I am going to use the or a different ink color that comes in the kit. I'm using the Berry Burst. Actually, this is one of my favorite colors. I'm using the Springtime Greetings. And because I did do the paper pumpkin as it was intended, and I have a lot of Happy Easters. So I figured I would use the Springtime Greetings, and then that way you can use, you know, whatever springtime celebration that you want to enjoy. So I'm just fishtailing the ends. I think that's what they call it, or flagging the ends. Using my wreath as a measure tool. I just want to make sure that it spans the distance of my wreath, cutting the little fishtail down What else did I want to tell you? I have a new online class coming. So as I'm trying to catch up and do a whole bunch of projects this week, I will have more information on that. It is featuring that hot air balloon or lighter than air suite. I hope that you'll join me in that online class. Super much fun. I have a special guest and everything. And my card kit, online card classes are not expensive. They are just the price of the bundle, and that is it. And your provincial taxes. That's it. I don't charge any more for any of the paper or anything that I send to you, and you get lifetime for the videos. And yeah, I'm here to support you in your paper crafting journey. So as you can see what I did there, I had a little bit of that gingham from the card on Tuesday. So I'm just using a little bit of that gingham paper, bringing it all together, sort of very Eastery colors. And I love this little backing. So I just adhered it to I adhered the sentiment to this gingham. And now I do this a lot. Sometimes I don't measure, you guys. I just cut. You don't have to be perfect, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. It's a handmade card. If anybody says, oh, that's cut crooked, I would snatch that card back and tell them that they're rude and that they didn't deserve a card if they're going to be that critical. Anyway, I did trim that down. So now I'm using my bowl folder and I'm flipping those edges up, but the middle is going to be more hill-like. Does that make sense? So it's got a swoopy design here. So what I will do is I'll put adhesive on two of the flatter ends there, and then I'm going to use count them, 3 dimensionals all on one spot. I know, shocking, right? I did think about 2, but then when I looked at it, I'm like, nope, has to be 3. I am an over abuser of dimensionals anyway. I'm okay with that. All right, so I'm going to put this sentiment sort of a little bit cattywampus. I didn't want to take away all those beautiful colors, though, of the berry burst. So that was important for me to give those. And then, as I did in the first card, I used my Berry Burst Blends markers, and I colored 5 little, I guess these are dots. These are self-adhesive white dots that I am coloring with my beautiful Berry Burst. This color is gorgeous. I love it. Love, love, love. It's my mom's favorite color too. All right, so now I am using a little bit more of that sheer ribbon combo pack, and I tied a little bow. And it's much easier tying a bow when it's just like this and not around a card or around a box or anything like that. But I am, sticking my fingers in the bow and just drawing it nice and tight. And then I'll pull on the ends and voila, I have a pretty bow. So I am going to pinch the ends and trim them on an angle, and that's going to give me a pointed flagged end ribbon or bow. You'll see in the still pictures. Sometimes my hands get in the way. I do apologize. All right, and then I'm just going to use a glue dot because my desk, what you can see is it's so nice and clean, but there's stuff everywhere. So I'm just using what I got on hand, and I saw those little flat glue dots. Not my favorites. I wish they had regular glue dots in the paper pumpkin, but then they would cost more, I think. So I guess I'll just have to manage with the flat glue dots. They're not too bad to use if you have this take your pick tool. And that is a tool that I have suggested from day one. If you don't have a take your pick tool with the attachments, now it comes with a craft knife, and it comes with like a stitching edge, and like there's a whole bunch of stuff. I love this one. As a matter of fact, I often say I remember I was renovating my salon, hence the reason why I hurt my back and shoulder, and I keep on wanting to get my take your pick tool for little things like that, like scraping the paint out of this or that. So it's handy in other pieces of your life. Okay, anyway, enough chatter. I did put my 5 little colored adhesive dots on my page, and then I'm going to stamp on the inside of the card, because that is my New Year's resolution, just with the 2 daffodils that are in the kit. And that's pretty much my card for today. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section, or in the supplies section on my blog, and those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.